This is the series of me testing out different lip kit products. So I'm going in with the Hersey lip kit collab with Glamlite, and it's the cookies and cream pack. So you get 3 products: a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a lipstick. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with the lip liner, and I'm just gonna go over and line my entire lip. So this is my lips lined with the liner that's included in the kit. It's this super pretty nude, kind of like muted peach nude that is a really good combo for the light brown tone of the liner. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to the middle of my lips. Super pretty nude, peachy nude color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over. Definitely a super muted out nude tone, which is really pretty, and I do believe it's good for an everyday look. If you guys do have any products that you guys want me to test out, just go ahead and comment.